let's start diving into this. Whew, Bitcoin looking strong, isn't it? All right. Yo, what is up, Crypto Naughty? Anthony, how's it going? Christian, how you doing? Crypto Cruise, let's go. All right, checking out Bitcoin. Actually, let's go to the other chart. Hold on. Go into the Coinbase chart. So on Coinbase, you can see we did hit a new all-time high today at $94,143. This is actually a really big deal. We're still putting all-time highs, even though the altcoins are they're bleeding. They're bleeding bad. They need some help. They need a tourniquet. They need something. But on this chart, you can see how we just hit the heart line and we came back down. But it does look like we are starting to put in a little bit of bullishness. This is nice to see. Your 4 hours resetting extremely fast. Also great to see. Checking out your 1 hour time frame, you are looking to go up tonight. And with that being said, where could we go? Well, I'm looking at it sort of like this. Right here, where you could see it rally up to 94,973. So it could go farther, don't get me wrong. But I'm looking at a 2.88% move. And considering how, I don't know, finicky the altcoins are being, I'm starting to just trade Bitcoin now. Because Bitcoin, it's reliable. And that's where all the money's going at the moment. So as of right now, that 2.9% could be happening, which would be great. Looking at your 15 minutes, stochastic's kind of high, but relative strength sitting in neutral territory. We could see this thing consolidate a bit more. We even could see it come down a little bit, but my current stop loss is sitting around this 90,889, somewhere around there. Let me check, because I'm currently in the trade. So I only went 50x. We're up by 4%. My stop loss on this bad boy is, where is it? $90,808. So that's my current stop loss. But yeah, anyways, that's what I'm looking at out of Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and check out the heat map real quick. So on the heat map for the 24-hour time frame, you can see there's more money to the downside than upside at the moment, because as we went up, we ended up liquidating $136 million. That is insane. I mean, noted there was more, but that's the big one, 138 mil. So we took their money, we came down, now we're consolidating, looking like we're trying to press up. Might be going for this 94,125, somewhere in that range. Could be happening. Did I see the new coin Chill Guy? No, I did not, Ty. I did not. 20 million market cap in a day? That's wild. That is wild. But that's also starting to show the meme season. I don't know how much longer it's gonna last. When it starts doing that fast, oof, the scams start to come. That's the problem. Where's a good entry point for Pepe? Or has the ship sailed for now? Pepe hasn't done a damn thing. We'll check out Pepe. So next big liquidation we're looking at is 94,259 on the weekly. That would be $145 million in shorts that could get liquidated. So that's absolutely wild. Absolutely wild. Alright, so that's Bitcoin right now. Let's go ahead and check out the dominance real fast. So Bitcoin dominance currently heading up. Oh my god, you found support and you've just been climbing. My oh my, the Bitcoin dominance is just too much. This is why you ended up seeing the altcoins bleed out today while Bitcoin got to go up. It's because this dominance kept going up. So yeah, that's what we got to see right there. That's what we got to see. But yeah, Ty, that's absolutely wild. If you're seeing meme coins jump up to 200 million in a single day, I hate to say it, but now just be on the lookout for rug pulls, because that's awfully fast. And scammers, they're going to look at that and be like, oh, there's free money out there. So just be careful on the new plays now. You got rug pulled almost. It happens, man. It happens. That's the only problem with the small market cap tokens. The rug pulls are real. On Mad Guy? Well, I bet they made you mad, right? All right, Pepe. Yeah, Pepe. It's just consolidating, but we did break out of our symmetrical triangle here, which is too bad. But we are finding support on the 50 simple for the 4 hour. Your stochastic has been flatlining for days, like ever since the 16th. You've been the 15th for 4 days straight. You've just been flatlining. So you're expecting the price to go up. If there was an entry, it would be right now, and your stop loss would have to be below this 1866 level. You're expecting it to go up because you've only traded sideways. Book of Memes should be looked into. D nice, we'll check it out. So yeah, maybe it's just changing up the pattern to something kind of like this, so it gives it more time to consolidate. But if it doesn't start going up here while you're on a moving average, then you might be going down. Let's go ahead and check the 1 hour. 1 hour is trying to push up. Let's see your 15 minute. 15 minute looks like dog crap. That's too bad. You're getting into the bullish control zone, but that stochastic is going to want to reset. So be careful. Be careful on Pepe right now. The bids are just not coming in yet. You need the bids. You need the bids. Yeah, if you decide to use that very first little wick down there, you can see we broke down, back tested him. Oh my goodness. That looks so much worse. That looks so much worse. So then you'd be expecting to come down to support, which I'm not against. I'm all for coming down to support. But yeah, you're sitting on top of the 50 simple on the 4 hour, so it's making this thing look a little murky. So I'd be careful with Pepe. I'd be careful. It's about to do a Bart Simpson pattern. You think so, Anthony? You think? Just pop straight up here, then keep going sideways? A little Bart Simpson? We haven't seen the Bart Simpsons in a while. I'll tell you what. We have not. Alright, so that's what I see out of Pepe. Let's go check a Book of Meme. Boom. Whatever. Book of Meme, finding some support. Finding some support. I don't like the roundedness of this. That's worrisome. But let's go out to the daily. Let's get a better look at this thing. If I can click things properly. Book of Meme, you are on the cusp. You're just about to have it. The golden cross is coming. The golden cross is coming. I'm gonna get rid of this yellow line because technically speaking, it's only this candle high close. Oh wait, it's these candle low closes too. I guess it does matter. We're also using it as support, so there's that. But your better support is down here at 9422. But yeah, Book of Meme, golden cross is trying to get printed. It would help if it got some bids. It would help greatly if it got some bids. So just waiting on that. On your daily, you can see there is there is bearish divergence. So I was corrected yesterday. It's not hidden. It's just bearish divergence. You can see the higher high, lower relative strength on the daily. So you have to pay attention to it. You could see this thing pull back down somewhere between the 200 and the 50 simple, maybe even getting to this 8318 is possible if this hidden bearish divergence wants to play out. However, your stochastic is trying to reset right now on the daily, so hopefully you do hold support before trying to see new highs. Hopefully. But that bearish divergence, that's no joke. You can see it here. That is very distinct. Very distinct. Higher price, lower strength, people are selling it off. So be careful on Book of Meme. Be careful. But noted, great pattern here. Absolutely great. If you came down and got a back test, wouldn't be the end of the world. Would just kind of suck if you're in a trade on it. Alrighty, let's go ahead and check out BNB token. So BNB token has been acting extremely weird. From this high back here, your strength has been down this whole time, but you have not put in any other highs. You did have a downtrending level of resistance that you did break out of. You're still looking for the back test, but you did have a golden cross back here. Your 100's trying to cross bullishly as well. We really need this altcoin to get some bids, guys. We need some bids here. Otherwise, the rising wedge pattern will play out. And if it does play out, we're looking for prices back down somewhere between 504 and 450. It could go deeper, but that's what we would be looking for. So BNB token looking like it's in trouble on the daily. Checking out your 4-hour time frame. 4-hour looks good. 4-hour looks like it wants to do something. But man, this is getting suppressed. Holy moly. You do have a demand line here. If you can break this demand line, maybe you can break this overhead resistance at 656 and then possibly go up to new all-time highs. So that's BNB token right now. Let's check out Dogecoin. Doge, another disappointment today, but you are maintaining these higher lows, which is great. Our target is still sitting at 57 cents, but how long is this going to take, brother? How long? We are just dancing on this 50 simple moving average on the 4-hour, just slowly grinding up. It is starting to curve over, though, so be careful with Dogecoin as well. Let's check the daily. On your daily, we're still severely overbought, so that is something that we do have to consider. The overboughtness, maybe the buyers are starting to chill out, but your 1-hour looks fantastic for Doge. It looks absolutely fantastic. So, still in play, as long as we're above this green line, to get up to 57 cents. Still in play. That 1-hour looks great, though. 15-minute looks like you're going to break support. That's what the 15 looks like. Looks like you're going to break support bad. Yikes. Don't want to see that. You don't want to see that. So, we should probably keep our eyes on the 39843 level. If we can break that, should be nice. But yeah, my dude, how are you? I'm doing good, HQZ. How you doing today? How you doing? Let's check out Ethereum. The ugly stepchild is back. So Ethereum, you did have this downtrending level of resistance. We're now holding support at 3,058. If we can maintain it long enough, nice thumbnail. I'm glad you like it. If we can maintain it long enough, we might be able to see another test at this 3,351, which would be very nice. Let's go out to the daily on Ethereum. Ethereum's resetting, so Ethereum actually trying its best not to look so terrible, but we have to wait and see what's going to happen here. Really far away from any type of golden cross. Let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour time frame, you're below your 50 simple. You're looking worse than anything else in this market. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm going to start calling Ethereum the king of disappointment, because also you have a nice little double top here on the 4-hour to worry about. You could go down and test the 2866 level. Yikes. Yikes. We don't want that. We don't want that. See what the 1-hour is saying? God, your 1-hour is giving you room to do it. Ugh. Ugh. That's too bad. Alright, anyways, that's Ethereum. Looks like HBAR is getting a healthy pullback as well. Holy. GOAT's starting to move up. We're going to check out GOAT later as well. But let's go down to Solana, then Sui, and then we'll just dive into random other tokens. Solana. Oh, Solana, you disappointing little turd. Almost hit the 249 level. Almost. So close. So close. We are overbought. We do have the bearish divergence that is forming on the daily, so it does look like a breather is starting right now for Solana. That is too bad. You are pretty overextended, though. I mean, this was a great run, but just a bit overextended on the daily. Too bad you didn't test that 249. People front ran it. Oof. The only good thing about ETH is that all my meme coins have held their weight. If not, then gone up. All your Solana memes have been rugged. It happens. It happens. Especially on cheaper chains. It definitely happens. Alright. So now we're noticing the bearish divergence on the 4-hour as well. Maybe this is going to play out. Cardano may be next up. You think so, D Nice? You think? What's up, Rich? How you doing? ETH has a stronger meme base, it seems. Well, that's because if you're gonna invest into a meme coin on Ethereum, you're paying those fees. Those fees are crazy, so it makes it less enticing to sell early. Like, you got to get your money's worth, you know? So yeah, if this does come down, we could see Solana back down to 202. It is very possible. Solana memes are like a slot. Yeah, that's true. Slot machine. Yeah, big time. Crypto Naughty. Whoever keeps buying meme rugs, let me know when you buy so I can now to avoid it. That's pretty funny. Can I please look at Harvest Finance? What's the ticker on that one? What are the letters it goes by? Super low cap, I think under 1 million tokens. That's cool. What's the ticker? If I can find it on TradingView, I'll check it out. Otherwise, there is a $5 fee to drag me over to Dex Screener because I don't like going to Dex Screener. But yeah, we can look at it. No problem. It's called Farm. All right, got you. I never would have found that. Harvest Finance is called Farm. Yeah, I never would have seen that. So Solana right now, you did reset the stochastic. You do have the bearish convergence, so be careful on this one, but I'm still expecting it to test and or even pass that 249 level. Damn, I missed the Moodeg on Ethereum breakout. Aw, man. It's okay, Rich. There will be other opportunities. And now let's go ahead and check out Sui, which happens to be in the green. Massive bearish divergence, but it's still moving, still sideways consolidating, resetting. I'm still seeing it getting up to this $4.30 level. We'll see if it pans out. It's in price discovery. Oh, is it really? That's cool. That's cool. All right, so let's go ahead and check out Cardano. Yeah, Cardano, and then we'll go to the next one. How's Bitcoin Cash looking, man? CT, we will check out Bitcoin Cash. We got a couple right before that. So we got Cardano, then we got Farm, and then we'll check out Bitcoin Cash, I guess. Almost 2x from the breakout already. It's crazy, Rich. It's crazy. Wow, Jasmine's going up. Oh, man. Too bad that thing stopped me out the other day. I think that's the frustrating part. I get stopped out a lot just while sleeping. Ugh, it's terrible. ADA. ADA, it is hitting overhead resistance right now at that 77.76 level. If you manage to break it and stay above it, your next level is $1.3221. So you are kind of waiting to see what happens. I personally, if I was in this trade, I'd be looking for that 89.42, and from there you could look at this as a bull flag. So maybe you see something like this getting up to $1.02. The possibilities are there on the 4 hour. Let's check your daily. Your daily's toast. Your daily is super overbought, and it does look like the strength is starting to wane a little bit, but could keep going. Looks like Jasmine had a huge buy happen. It probably did. Probably did. Let's check out the 1 hour. 1 hour, you have a high stochastic while hitting resistance. That always worries me. So if I were in this or trying to get into this, I would wait for the breakout and then back test. That's what I'd be waiting for. Anyone else hear rumors? ADA H bar XRP manager or a merger? I did not hear the rumors. Nope. I was taking care of my daughter all day. So I am, any day that I have the kids all day, I am out of the loop all day. I have no idea what's going on. All right, let's check out Farm next. Farm, we got it. Harvest Finance. Farm. Let's check and see what we got here. Not a bad request. Looks like you're trying to bottom out. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Absolute beauty. you might be able to buy yourself a Happy Meal. Let's go. All right, very good areas of accumulation down here. When you broke out, you held support, you went up. Now you came down to that level again to hold support, higher low, and you're moving. Love to see that. That is brilliant. Right there? Yeah, right there. So it looks like your next target you're aiming for is $94.65. As long as you can stay above that 4304 level, you're looking good. Now, the fun starts if you manage to break above that 94. You could be going straight up to 179. Thing looks pretty nice. Hoskinson said he could help XRP with stable coins and something else. I forget. Well, I mean, they're both pretty stable. I don't think they need another stable coin. That's cool, though. They're going to start working together. Alright, going down to the daily for Farm. Farm's just resetting the indicators after the impulse move up. You are likely to test support at 4304. It's likely. Nice. Thanks, man. Been in this trade a while. Nice. Yeah, you do have a higher low, so that's giving you a supply line that in like really bad scenarios you could fall all the way down there. But you are expecting to hold 4304. If you do hold it and you stay above it, $94 is the target. So you would be looking for something around this 119% move to happen. And then if it continues and it gets a little buck wild out there, you could see it get a $312 move. And I'm not going to joke around. That would be one area where I would be like, all right, time to take some profits because you traded sideways here and you fell straight through. You're likely, as on the way up, to hit it, come back down, and then try and go up again. It's likely to happen. So what I personally would be doing, I'd be taking profits all the way up. All right, checking out Bitcoin Cash next. Wow. You know, Bonk just burnt some tokens. I think it was like 100 billion worth of tokens. And man, that thing is just flying. Absolutely crazy. Oh, thank you. I appreciate you. No, I'm good. Thank you. My food door still works. Alright, Bitcoin Cash. There it is. So, Bitcoin Cash, you are hitting overhead resistance on the daily. It does look like you're consolidating right here, getting ready for a breakout. This is nice consolidation while your stochastic's falling pretty quick. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the 4 hour. 4 hour, sadly, you lost your 50 simple moving average. I never like to see that. You do have bearish divergence, so you can see a high, higher high, and your strength is falling. So you just need to make sure you don't fall below this 403 level, because that seems like the bottom of your range. But what is likely to happen is you will break this and go to the upside. There. So I would be looking at this, something kind of like this, sort of like Bitcoin, an upsloping channel. If it does come down here and touch that 412 level, that might be a really good opportunity for you to jump in on this bad boy, as long as it holds. That's the only thing. It's got to hold. And that would only be your second touch, so later on you'd still be looking for the possibility of a third touch at the bottom. So maybe it does something sort of like this, where it comes down, comes up, comes down again, and then it flies out of there. Or even maybe it decides like to come back down, then go. But yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin Cash. It doesn't look bad. It's just consolidating. Just consolidating. You're just waiting it out. Why is SHIB not moving? Reggie, it did move a lot. That's usually why it won't move again. So it's just consolidating. But we'll check out SHIB. We'll see. I wish I had more reasoning behind it, but I don't. Thanks, brother. Be back in a bit. No problem, CT. No problem at all. Cartesi looks juicy too. Cartesi? We'll have to check that out. I don't know what Cartesi is. I don't have a clue what that is. No idea. Let's check out Shib real fast. See what it's doing. Well, I was expecting Shib to move the other day. Oh, you lost your supply line? Gross. Gross. Now we gotta look at it like, ew. I don't like that. I don't like it. Bitcoin Cash utility or what? No. It basically is like a test network because nobody really trusts it. Linux base layer 1? I've never heard of what that is. It's funny, there's a lot of stuff in the crypto space I've never heard of, but I'm just kind of like, can I trade it? Crypto Naughty, I don't need to know a damn thing when I'm only reading charts. I don't need to know a thing. So it's just dangling from the coattails of BTC then. Yeah, pretty much. Liam, look at Solana. Do you think it will break that support? Support? It's hitting resistance. We'll take a look at Solana again. I'm not sure what support you're talking about. It has a bunch of resistance overhead. It's like its final weekly candle close resistance, so it's kind of a big deal. And people are front running it. So that part kind of sucks too. But yeah, Shib, it just looks like you're consolidating and you're trying to get that stochastic reset on the daily. Looking at the 4 hour, you're trying to reset as well. As long as you stay above 2261, you're kind of good because you're still setting higher lows. I just don't like that you recently broke this supply line here. I don't like that. The fact that you're under it makes me feel like it's coming down to 2117. Yeah, what Crypto Naughty said. Local support. Alright, I got you. I'll check. I will check. Think we see a big BTC correction before 100k? No. I think we're hitting 100k first. The only reason I believe that is because now there's derivatives on one of the spot Bitcoin ETFs. If they didn't have those derivatives, I would have expected a pullback a long time ago. But now we have derivatives. I was like, this thing didn't even care about World War III news. Bitcoin's kind of bullish. Alright. Cartesi. We'll check out Cartesi. But yeah. A lot of altcoins bleeding out a little bit, consolidating. Kinda is what it is. Should was something you never cared about. Sorry, maybe I'm too new to the crypto space. It just doesn't have the appeal for me like Doge or others. You gotta realize last bull run, HQZ, Shiba Inu was like the meme of meme coins. It created so many millionaires. It's kind of shocking. So that's why there's a ton of love behind the Shiba Inu. Ton of love. It made people so much money. So much money. Cartesi. CTSI. Interesting. No, it's just like how so many people love Bonk and Pepe right now. It's made them a ton of money. So, yeah. Checking out this thing on the daily. It does look really good. We had it plotted out, and We are still waiting for it to do something. Once you break the 1725, I think that's where the party gets started. Oh, look at that. I think that's where the party gets started. But yeah, I mean, actually, the real party gets started after that 22-9. I didn't even chart that. Right there. But yeah, CTSI looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It's just you're just accumulating in this tiny little range. So get that accumulation on, baby. Accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. Get as much as you can. Because when this thing does start to move, it could go great. I would expect it to get back up to 46.51, honestly. Because you shot up here once, you're likely to get up there again, create that nice little cup, and then take off for higher prices. That's usually how things work out. So it might rhyme a little bit. Yeah, those are our levels. This is a great accumulation range. Absolutely great range to accumulate. Can I throw FET AI on check list, please? Sure. Check it out. We just got to check out Solana real quick, and then we'll go to that. Alright, so Sol, weekly support. Sorry, local support. Let's see where it's at. Let's go down to the daily for our local support. So you're thinking this right here. There's our local support. Right there and there. It should hold support. It looks like it'll reset by the time it gets down to that. Would be really good if it did. Because then it'll give it enough like rocket fuel to break through. I think we just need the World War III scares to just stop. That would help. As of this moment, I have no reason to think it will fall below that. So Liam, yes, I think it will hold support. I really do. If you're talking about this up here where it's sitting right at the second, no, I don't think that's strong enough. I think coming down a little bit, touching that 50 simple would be a lot better. But we're just going to have to wait and see. See what your 15 minute says. Yeah, your 15 minute agrees with me. So wait, to buy more Sol at support? If you're not already in the Sol trade, you're putting a lot of risk buying at these levels. You could try if it looks good to you. What's that price? 222. But yeah, your main thing you're looking for now is either test 202 as support and hold it, or break out of 249 and hold that as support. Other than that, there's not many other options. If you feel like risking it all, sure, try jumping in at 222. I don't recommend that, but, you know, if it holds, it holds. Who cares? It has a supply line too? No, I mean, technically, but your supply line, it's awfully low. So you have two different ones you can go off of. You can go off of this here, which you tried falling through several times. Actually, I guess that would just be the supply line there, based off that initial move. Yep, that is your supply line currently. So your supply line and support line up at 222. They line up really well right there. So as long as it holds, you're good. As long as it holds. Alright. Moving right along. Let's go to FET. Looks like FET's trying to come down to its supply line also. Let's go out to the daily, see what this thing looks like. So FET on the daily, you broke out of your downtrend. You hit this support once. You haven't hit it again. You've just been respecting the supply line here. I guess I shouldn't even have marked that as a supply line. That wouldn't work out. Because your supply line was right here. And you broke down from that. So that doesn't matter. Anyways. You had this downtrend. Oh, you had a downtrend, you broke out, you held support. That's cool. So there is our new uptrend. So as long as you can stay above this uptrend, you should be okay. Right there. And you're sitting right on top of it at this moment. Next target would be aimed at 215. And from there, I have no idea where it could go. Not a gosh darn clue. I take back every lie that I just stated. You'd be looking at $3 if you can break the 215.1 level. Weekly sitting in neutral territory. You are below the 50 simple. It's kind of a shame. Wow, FET's still under its 200 daily? Sheesh. I do really like how tight these moving averages are, though. I really like that. This is like jet fuel for the price. It's absolutely insane. So, yeah, FET could have its day pretty soon. Let's check the 1 hour. Your 1 hour wants to try and catch some bids. So I do believe this could hold. It's good. I think it's due for a breakout. It should be. We shall see what happens. The only thing I don't like is you had a sharp drop, and this is kind of like a sideways consolidation, which would indicate further downside could happen, but I've seen weirder things. I've seen some weird things. Let's just start with breaking that downtrend. Let's start with that. That would be a welcome start. It's amazing. All coins do bad for a day. Viewership falls off a cliff. It's crazy. Maybe a lot of people don't realize this is the best time to be in the stream. You think the run is over? Nah. This is the calm before the storm. They packed it up. I just dislike when things take all day to sell off. I hate that. But yeah, like, FTM here is completely disrespecting this level of support. And now it's starting to look like, okay, we're probably just going to fall straight back down to 56.85. How did so many things sell off at once? Is it algorithmic or something? No, one thing you got to realize, if Bitcoin dominance is going up, all of these crypto, they're placed against Bitcoin. So what whales normally will do, if they're pumping something, they utilize Bitcoin to pump it. So let's take, for instance, FTM. You can look up FTM to BTC. And so what a lot of whales can can look at. Oh boy, what a lot of whales can look at is it a good time to buy this asset over Bitcoin? And if the answer is no, well then you're going to see this thing bleed out as Bitcoin goes up because it's selling off into Bitcoin. So let's just throw this line up here. You fell down, you've hit it once, looks like you're coming in for a back test. So as of right now, Phantom FTM should underperform Bitcoin by 24% if this back tests down there. So this could mean Bitcoin could go up 2-3% here and there, and FTM will just sit still. It just won't do a thing. So now your Bitcoin to FTM ratio, it gets all sorts of thrown off. It gets terrible. But on the flip side, you know this is strong support here. It was used as strong support here. This was the time for you to buy Phantom so you could outpace Bitcoin. And then when you see like the crazy alt season, you'll see Bitcoin go up 1 or 2%, but the alts are all doing this. So then they're outpacing Bitcoin by 100%. That's 100%. Holy shit. But they're outpacing by like 100%. So you'll end up seeing Bitcoin go up by like 2%. Then you'll see, for instance, FTM up by 102%. So you're just like, oh, that's crazy. Wow, this is nice. But a lot of people don't look at the asset to Bitcoin very often. But that's usually why you see correlated altcoins selling off while Bitcoin goes up. It's because of the correlation to Bitcoin that every crypto has. At least every crypto on major exchanges. The ones that have not made it to major exchanges, they don't act the same. Oh, Goat got a bearish backtest. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Goat has another 16% downside? That is nuts. Your MACD's calling for it, too. Oh, shit. What's a 15 say? Well, your 15 not playing ball. 15's giving you a totally different reading. Whoa. That's wild. Do we have bearish can divert? No, we don't. No, I mean, technically. I don't know. We'll see. So, yeah, market tonight. Looking a little sus. Okay, Crypto.com. This is a cup and handle on the 15-minute. That's kind of cool. I always like seeing cup and handles. That's a pretty one. We'll see if Crypto.com can actually trade back up to 21 cents. Cool. Clover finding support. Ooh, wait a minute. Clover, CLV. We could see another test at 12.962. I take it back. Your 1 hour doesn't want to do that at all. Your 1 hour is basically saying, screw that nonsense. We're not running. I'm not putting my shoes on. I should take profits on this. I definitely should take profits on this. So, Caddy. Caddy's an interesting one. You had 3 weeks of pumping. And so, after 3 weeks of pumping, you're expecting it to now confirm a bottom. You already set a lower high. So now we can get rid of this. Get rid of this. Nope. Yep, remove it. We can get rid of this. Just leaving in all the things that actually matter, which happens to only be that. Heck, even this doesn't matter. This matters. So there you go. Now we actually have data on Caddy. We also have a downtrending level of resistance as of this moment. Right here. So with that being said, for Caddy, anything in this range between 7.6 and 2, well actually we don't know for sure. If it falls down and we do not hold support at this 2830, which we probably should, that would be an area in which we would consider, oh no, we don't want any part of this. We need to see what happens though after you hit, and then bounce, and where it stops. That'll give us our proper accumulation zone, and then we could decide on how much more we want to accumulate. But yeah, I was accumulating the heck out of this one for a minute. We got some good gains. I'm gonna have to take some profits. Gonna have to. And didn't even react the right way on the way up. Holy. But we are expecting price to come back down. So yeah, that's kind of nice. Wow, that bullish convergence was happening from all the way back here. Holy moly. And then finally it took off. Shit. Alright, Caddy, you're on the radar. I gotta figure out where you come down. Actually, let's just leave an alert down there. As soon as you come back down there, oh, it's gonna be beautiful. So remember, this thing has not formed a bottom. All it did was came down once, came up to a resistance, and now it's more than likely going to come straight back down just to confirm that area is support. So keep that in mind when looking at a lot of newer tokens. They will create bottoming patterns. You just got to wait for it. Could take weeks, could take months, but it'll happen. It definitely will happen. Wow. What is beer trying to do? It's probably got a golden spot for shorting, but what the heck? You think beer's gonna break out? Or is it ready to short? I'm thinking shorting. That is wild. Oh my goodness gracious. It has no other wait, what? Are we serious? Um this is interesting to say the least. This is really interesting. Like the weekly says you don't have anything in between, which the daily's not really arguing. It's, jeez. Excuse me? There's no way, right? Your 1 hour wants to break out. Do I think Chill Guy is going to go up overnight, like everyone's saying? Oh, I didn't even check that out. I'm sorry. We got to look at that. I'm just sorry. I'm losing my mind here on beer. I'm starting to feel like beer is going to do something absolutely insane. Um, Let me mark this out real quick. That's 494%. That's nuts. That's actually nuts. All over Twitter, everybody's saying Chill Guy is going to hit 18 or 1 billion market cap. Check it out for me. Chill Guy. I can't see it. So Charlie, I have no idea. And if it's a meme coin, I mean, it could. When the fuck did I get a chart on Coin Market Cap? The hell is this? I think on PopCap. I don't know. I didn't know Coin Market Cap did this. That's interesting. We'll check out PopCat, Alex. Charlie, I don't know. It's a meme coin. Anything can happen. Yeah, once again, it's a meme coin. You can't use technical analysis on meme coins. This thing's been out for 5 days. It looks like it's up high. So, I don't know. It did all time high recently and pulled back now. Oh, nice, nice. But yeah, Charlie, there's no data. There's nothing to go off of. It's only hype. So if that's what X is saying, I mean, maybe. I don't know. All I know is you're at $176 million market cap. People bought down here. They could sell it at any time and drag this price straight down. So I don't have a clue, man. No idea. But they think it's going to do a 10x overnight. I mean, I've seen it happen before. I never believe it when it does. I'm sorry I can't give more insight on that either, but I literally don't know because nobody knows on meme coins. Anybody who's like, I'm the meme coin whisperer, they're lying. They're absolutely lying. There's no telling. If you were in, would you stay in? If you just got in an hour ago? Well, if you only got in an hour ago, yeah, you kind of have to because you already lost. Like, within 1 hour, it's red. You're dropping now, so you kind of have to. You're not going to just jump in for an hour to take losses. Not going to do that. But also, I wouldn't have jumped in up here. I would only jump in if it comes back down to this 485 level. And noted, I'd probably be in their Telegram. I would probably be in their Discord, whatever they're using to talk. I'd make sure the devs are actually working. I would, you know, feel good about putting money into it. If I saw this flatlining here and the devs were talking, then I would jump in there. I took a look at XRP. Any thoughts? Sure, freestyle. We'll check it out. But yeah, jumping in an hour ago when it's already like a straight line up, I would need much more of a pullback than that for me to even consider jumping in. Without a substantial pullback, I just say I missed the boat and I wait for the next one. Just kind of how I do it. You even double topped here, so whoever's selling, they're trying to make sure this price doesn't get above 26 cents on the 1 hour. Yeah. I wish you the best of luck on your hold though. But other than that, I have zero insight on that thing. I don't know what it is. I haven't talked to the team. I don't know if people are ready to just pull out because price stalled. Anything like that. So there's a chance of it going up. Of course, there's always a chance of it going up. What I would highly recommend, jump into their Twitter. Make sure nobody's arguing. If people are arguing, get the hell out. just get out of there. All right, Popcat next. How can I find their Twitter? When you look at them on CoinMarketCap, oh, can't even see it. I don't know. It should be on their wait, you don't know how to find them on Twitter? How do you know people are talking about them on Twitter? Usually you just go onto Twitter and type in their name. I've gotten into too many memes like that already. It's always supposed to go up to 1,000 million overnight. Never does. Learning my lesson. Yeah, that's true. It's all over TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Coin's going wild right now. It's not going wild right now. It's stalling out. They're hoping more people jump in and buy. So normally what I would say is like, oh yeah, on their listing, you'd be able to find it. But I'm on their listing and I can't find it. It's kind of weird. Chill guy. Yeah, every time I look it up, that's all it's showing. Yeah, that's all it's showing. It's just going straight to this. So I don't actually know. I haven't run into this issue before. I actually haven't run into that issue before. That's the first time. Popcat. Oof. Looking bad. Let's go back out to the weekly. But yeah, so Charlie, anything that's already pumped up like crazy, it's hard for me to say, oh, it's going to definitely keep going because there's no information saying that it will keep going. It's a meme coin, so there's less information saying it's going to keep going. It's just, you're kind of like trying to get me to give you some hopium. I've been in too many meme coins where I automatically, when I see a chart that looks like this, I think they're still pumping it up because they're ready to start offloading their position. That's all I find. I found the Twitter. The comments are all just pictures of the meme. Yeah, that's how the meme coins go. That's really how it goes. All the time. It's if they're not posting a bunch of meme stuff, then it's kind of like the project died. So, yeah, that's normal. That's normal. All right, so Popcat, you're looking to find support anywhere between 155.85 and 139.68. If you don't hold this level up here, you're falling to 97 very fast. So Popcat, yeah, Yeah, it hit a high. Definitely hit a high. And you're consolidating, but it does look like you're starting to bleed out a little bit. You just kind of have to wait and see what's going to happen. Let's see here. You technically have a supply line based off this, which that's not really great because if you come back down to it, that's a massive loss. Massive loss. If you want to take it from this perspective, then you're looking for support right at 155.85. You break that level, probably a good idea to not be hanging on to the downside. Probably not a good idea. Your daily's trying to reset right now. Your 4 hours trying to reset right now. You don't really have bearish divergence. It's just a slow bleed out. So if the market gets better tomorrow, Popcat could keep running up. The possibility is there. So I'd say just watch it. If you fall below 139.6, probably exit. Just watch it. Keep your eyes on it. Hang out with it. Touch its butt a little bit. Give it some love. Checking out XRP. Looks like it's consolidating down. Appreciate it on the insight. No problem, Alex. No problem. Checking out XRP. XRP holds a special place in my heart I always think it's going to fall after an impulse move up. Who knows? Maybe this time's different. But you are severely cooked on the daily. What's going on, everyone? What did I miss? Oh, you missed so much. We've been live for an hour. So I know some of you probably think, oh, he's so jaded to say every time it pumps, it goes down. I mean, we pumped, we went down. We got a rise, we went down. We got a rise, we went lower. You can see why I'm jaded, right? You got a pump, you fell lower than where you started. Poo poo butt far blast coin. What's up, the real MILF Hunter? How you doing? Oh god. I mean, you pumped up, you came straight back down. It's so often that it happens that it's like a broken record. It's terrible. So what I'm expecting is it to come down anywhere between 86.1 and 6628. I know all of you are gonna be like, but this time's totally different, man. You still got to set up a structure. You got to get people interested in the asset. So, yeah, you hit overhead resistance at 121. I'm not saying you can't go up to 130. I'm not saying that can't happen, but it's a very likely scenario for you to come back down and back test something. And currently, the major back test would be 66 cents. That's a strong possibility. Because you were getting held down by it for all this time. For you to fly through it and never test it, real bad look. Real bad. When will you have super chats to help fund your channel? I don't know. I think I need to get 2,000 more viewing hours. I think that's what needs to happen. But yeah, I don't know. Right now, we just survive off of our link and my trading ability. That's all we got. BTC is moving. Well, that's good, because we're in a trade on BTC right now. Hey, we're up 12%. Rich, why'd you lie to me? Tired of these lies. Gosh. Thoughts on AMP and Matic? No, I can't look at Matic. I'll look at Polygon for you. I can't look at Matic though. Well, you had a nice run up. You have your bearish divergence playing out. Yeah, I just opened a 25x long on Cass. That's wild. Hi. Hi.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, night. Oh, you're done? Oh, okay. Get back here, woman. Love you. Alrighty. The baby's going to sleep. You know, it was funny. Daughter was playing around on the scale today at the gym, and it turns out she's 31.2 pounds. I was like, wow, check that out. It's wild. Alright, so Paul, you're going to be looking for a little bit of support at 4116, most likely, since you just lost support at 4335. On the daily. Oh, shit. I didn't realize what time frame I was on. Yeah, I think that would probably be a good opportunity for you right there. But the biggest thing is break out of this down-sloping resistance. If you can break out of that, awesome and tremendous. Who in the world? By the way, just a PSA, everybody. If you send me a friend request on Discord, I will ignore it. just a heads up, everybody. I ignore everybody's friend requests. Yo, Pimosa, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? All right, we checked out the Matic one. Let's go ahead and check out AMP. AMP. AMP, interesting spot to be in. Is this thing at like really low levels? It is. So AMP's getting ready for a breakout. This is a big deal. This is actually a really big deal. Your daily's trying to reset. You're back under your 200 simple moving average. So there is a possibility you come back down to the 50 simple. Setting at 3988, the possibility is there. You don't necessarily have to, but if there's still weakness in these alts, it's probably going to happen. Let's check the 4 hour. 4 hours sitting right on top of your 50 simple. If you can hold that, you're likely to break out and go up and test 8938. That would end up yielding you 95% upside. The only problem is your daily and the fact that you're not holding support right now. It's the only problem. Let's check your 1 hour. Your 1 hour is not doing you any favors at all. As you're downtrending, your stochastic starting to go up. Your relative strength's trying to go up. Oh boy. Alright, so you could see more downside. That's a shame. Let's check your 15. And your 15 is pooping the bed. Just not even being nice to you whatsoever. Currently, this is your downtrend. If you can break above this and hold support above it, now you can start contending for those higher prices. Until then, you're just expecting to fall. You're expecting to fall, and maybe you get the grace to stop at 3961. So if the alts start getting some love again, AMP is ready to fly. If the alts keep getting bled out, well, you're going to see a little bit of downside. And at this very second, we're thinking downside. Cass, when you get a chance, yeah, we'll check out Cass. I got you. So yeah, hopefully that helps you out now. Hopefully that helps you out. Anyways, let's move right along. Let's take a peek in. Oh, Bitcoin's positive. That's good. That's good. Maybe it'll sell me off. We're currently up 16%. Yippee. Alright, let's check out the K's. Cass. What? Okay. Where is it? K-A. There it is. Alright, Caspa. It hit the target? Oh, boy. Came so close. Wait, did it? Did it actually hit? Did we hit what was expected? Oh my god, that was so close. Well, we almost got that 17% we were looking for. We almost got it. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm guessing it got listed on Kraken already? Is that what happened? Hey, it's on Kraken. That's great. It didn't do that well on Kraken. Yeah, it got posted today. Ooh. Alright, the Kraken effect. It's not a thing. Alright, got it. Good to know for the future. Good to know for the future. Yeah, you're kind of bleeding out right now. Yeah, Kraken is a lower tier 1. It is. It really is. Uh, can you see how many people are following your copy trades on Weeks? I believe I can. Yeah. Oh man, today that random downswing that we had ruined the trade that I was in. It was terrible. I think I lost like 20% today. Nam West XYO, please check out. Sure, we can do that. Norm, are you new here, Norm? Welcome in, Norm. All right, so Cass, it does look like you're trying to get some form of consolidation going. I would say you're very likely to test this 1-4-4-3-2-1, and that would be where I'd be really considering like, hey, are you going to hold support or not? Because that also could be very close to your back test on this downtrending level of resistance. If you can get that back test in there and hold it, that would be fantastic. Yeah, proving nuclear bombs can have that effect. I know. It was. I literally, like, I put in the trade during the day, it was fine. And then I took a nap with my daughter. Next thing you know, I'm stopped out of all of my trades. It was terrible. Happy to watch. Thanks. Hey, happy to have you here, Norm. Happy to have you here. But yeah, so Casp, I would be looking for support somewhere around this 1-4-4-3-2-1 level. Maybe you do come down a bit lower just to get that back test of what was once the downtrend. Use it as support. That's what I would like to see. Oh, Norm, thanks so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the one you're looking for. XYO. Do I have that on this watch list? Do I? I don't. I don't know what this token is. So it's on Coinbase, but it's not on Binance. That's what the? Okay. I guess it pumped recently. Oh, this was a good area to get in too. Dang. Dang, brother. So I'm actually curious for the new ones coming in. Did the thumbnail actually help you out? Did it make you curious as to what this stream was? I'm still under the impression that thumbnails do very little. And so I just need the confirmation. If there's only one following you on Weeks, that's me, and I'm not worried about the funds I put in that account. I'd rather see action than not. Gotcha. But yeah, I tried putting in a trade today and it got stopped out. So I was like, okay, great, we're gonna wait. No, I still have this thing where I don't like losing other people's money. I don't mind losing my own, which also that account, God, it's getting screwed. Every single time I've gotten into trades for the copy trade, it's gotten stopped out. I'm like, goodness gracious. That's terrible. But and it's not even high leverage either. It's like I'm using 10x. It's actually kind of shocking. But yeah, either way, the trades will pick up again. I'm thinking for the next week or so, I'm just going to be trading Bitcoin because I can read Bitcoin a lot easier. So yeah, they need reverse copy trade ability. What's reverse copy trade ability? Oh, so like I enter a trade and you just hit reverse? Yeah, you probably would make a killing that way. You definitely would. I know, it's all good. It's fun for me to watch. Gotcha, it's all good, man. But yeah, you're gonna end up seeing it randomly one day. It'll be like, oh, we're up 300%. What the fuck did he do? And it's like, yeah, I just, got my swagger back. Whether you win or lose. Well, I don't like it because on that account, I'm down, what? Like $3,700? That one sucks. So I need to make that money back, and yeah, it'll be fun for you to watch. All right, so right now, since you did have this impulse up, you're looking to find support at 642, and that would probably be an absolute fantastic area to get it. So on the daily time frame, you can see what happened. You shot straight up, you hit overhead resistance, great impulse up. Now it looks like you're coming back down just to find that support. You will have a golden cross coming in. I don't know how long it's going to take you to get back down there to get that support, but since you have not used it as support, then you're just going to be waiting. But once you do hold it as support, you have two opportunities here, not just where you went, which is a 48% rise, but you could get another move higher at 96.8% upside. And then, of course, if it gets a little buck wild out here, you can keep going. Critical Thinker, when did you start streaming? That's a hard question to answer because I'm all out of money. Ty, that's no good. During COVID, I started streaming a lot of video games, but I was also trading, so I tried to do both gaming and trading. And then we started hitting like the bull run, so it kind of worked out. But then all of a sudden, viewership dropped off of the crypto streams as the bear market set in. I was still doing all right with the gaming streams and all, but then all of a sudden it's like my daughter came, started getting busy. Gaming people, my goodness, it is not the same. Gas It FF, thank you so much for the follow over there on Twitch. How you doing? Welcome in. So yeah, as for live streaming, I guess you could say, what is that, 4 years? Yeah, I guess 4 years. All right, thanks. We'll see where it goes. Yeah, no problem. But yeah, this one, it definitely looks like once you get that back test, this could be an absolutely amazing play. You were in a great accumulation range before that impulse. So that's fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic. But yeah, about 4 years I would say. Live streaming. And noted, I enjoy live streaming. I really do. Sitting here being able to chat with you guys while I just look through charts, this is kind of my favorite thing. I've been waiting for it to pump. Yeah, it's awful when you're waiting long term for something to pump up and you're like, come on, is it ever gonna come? Let's go, bro. Oh, shit. Waves, trying to do something. What games did you play? Mostly Call of Duty, but then I jumped into some Destiny. Well, Destiny 2. And then, what else? I played a little bit of Need for Speed Heat, but it was mainly Call of Duty Warzone. I still play Call of Duty Warzone, but, I'll just not stream it and talk a lot of trash. It's wonderful. Waves. Fantastic area to accumulate. Fantastic area to accumulate. Waves right now. This chart looks crazy. Did I put too many lines? What's this one for? I don't need that. Yep, I need that one. So anywhere between where it's at currently and all the way up to 236. Great accumulation range for waves. What is this line? Sorry, I'm just checking my old work here, and I just don't understand. I get these candle lows, but why? What's this one for? That candle high? We don't need that one. I guess we don't really need this. This one. Don't really need that. Alright, clean it up a bit. So many lines there. Anyways. Yeah, once you get out of that range, getting out of this range could yield you anywhere between 88, 137, and 261%. Oh my god. Oh my god. We could see a 60% move out of waves any day now. Seriously? All right, let's check out this indicator real quick. You're killing me. You're killing me. Slowly but surely. Killing me. Stone indicator. This is an hour-long video? Oh, no shot. There's no way. 7-minute video? Alright. Managing large Bitcoin positions? What the fuck? That's a YouTuber's paid indicator? Interesting. Interesting. Alright, I have it up. I will look it up. I will watch the video. I have it up. That's interesting. It's a YouTuber's paid indicator, huh? Huh. It works. Like, better. If you're paying for it, freaking better. Freaking better, dude. Oh, Bitcoin going slow. Can I take a look at Hood? Stock. Sure. We can check out Hood. I'm just trying to see if Waves is actionable right now. If it's going to try and go on a moon mission or not. Oh, shit. 15 wants to do something. It's 56% upside. Yeah, we're just going to put this right here. All right, Hood. Hood. The Robin Hood stock. You're above a resistance. That's great. Oh, shit. Are you at all time? No, you're not. Yeah, you're at a pretty good spot right now, but you are entering overbought territory on the weekly. However, your next target would be anywhere between 54.85 and 58.84. If you can maintain above 34.38. Suey going to $40. All right, Garrett. Can you check out Gala? The current market structure has me confused. Don't know what to make of it. We'll check out Gala. You have $25 calls. You have calls in here. Oh shit. You got in down here. Oh, you're deep in the money. Oh, you're not even worried right now. Expiring in 6 months? Yeah, I'd be looking to take profits around this 54.85 level. 6 months to get up there? I think you're good. I think you're good. You not only broke out of this, you back tested as support before you went up to the next level. Hood looks like it's just going up. And with crypto on the rise, and they do allow crypto trading, then yeah, Robinhood should do just fine. You got some CLSK calls? I don't know what CLSK is. We'll have to check that out also. Nice. Alright, let's check out Gala. Yeah, I like looking at stocks because it's just really easy. I only have to look at the daily and the weekly. Bitcoin clean spark is Bitcoin mining. That's interesting. You hold a Bitcoin mining stock. I always wonder like why hold the mining stocks when you can hold like Coinbase or MicroStrategy. Are they really that lucrative or these are genuine questions. I just don't even know. Alrighty. Gola. Why is this here? Oh, I know what that's in. Alright. More upside in short term, maybe even long term. Is it really? Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Alright, so Gala's just hitting overhead resistance on this little channel you've been in. It's great that you ended up getting up there, but since you are above 2706, as long as you stay above that, you should be fine with getting up to 3452. It's just going to take some time to break this overhead resistance. You also need to get back above your 50 simple on the weekly. So that's really what's happening there. Checking your daily time frame, you're consolidating right at resistance. So the longer you consolidate and hold above 2706, you're doing absolutely fine. If you can get a back test down there and hold, and yeah, then everything's even more beautiful because you're looking at 27% upside to get to your next level. And that would be a confirmed breakout of an uptrend, which super bullish. Next target you're aiming at 5088. I don't know if you're in a leverage position on this one. If you're in a leverage position, I personally would be closing it out just to save on the fees and not worrying about my stop loss raising, and then waiting for everything to reset while sitting on top of support. Usually a good time. Usually a good time. You're 4 hours trying to get something going, but you do have bearish divergence, slightly higher high, lower relative strength, so there's always that. For these fine people, I will check that out. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. So yeah, 4 hour looks pretty good for Gala. Your 1 hour looks great for Gala. Absolutely great. And it looks like you're about to break that downtrend. Yeah, you're trying to break out now. So I would expect this 3452 to play out sooner than later. Which is kind of nice. It's kind of nice to see an altcoin looking good. Kind of nice. Alright, let's move on out. CLSK. Clean Spark. Let's check this bad boy out. Stocks, I love them. Those are so easy to read. Oh, you're at a really nice level for accumulation. That's good. Just broke out of your lows. Very nice. Did you look at Pepe already, I assume? Definitely did. It's basically just consolidating. It's not really doing anything. So you didn't miss anything on Pepe. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Last time I talked to you, BTC was forming that rising wedge in the 70k range. It ended up breaking out massive. Yeah, it did break out massive. Short squeezes are a real thing. They're absolutely insane. Oh shit, you're right. You're right on resistance. Holy crap. It does look like a breakout could be coming though. Because the weekly, I don't have to care about the stochastic. Relative strength, you're breaking into that bullish control zone. You just started getting bullish momentum on the MACD. This thing's looking pretty sauced up. We're sauced up. Yep, looking prime for a bounce. It does look like it's ready to go. And you said you had calls, so a very first spot you're looking for is 2120. You break that 2120, the party gets started. You would then be looking to get up to 3884. How long's your call open for? You got stock and calls. Oh shit. Double dipping, are we? Out here manipulating the market. Oh, and your daily wants to go up tomorrow? Damn. As BTC price goes up, it becomes less profitable for the miners. So for the long term, how would that help the mining stock? Or remember, the miners are still going to be used even after the last Bitcoin is mined because they're the ones that are facilitating transactions as well. December 20th? Oh, nice. Miners are also buying Bitcoin. That confuses me. Whoa, oh, because they have stock. So yeah, they're investing. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm like, what are they doing? Working at another job and buying? Actually, if I owned a Bitcoin mining company, yeah, I would 100% be working on the side. Because what am I going to do? Fucking look at my computers as they work on their own? Good to know. Yep. But yeah, this one, it does look like it's about to go on a nice little push up. Could be, wow, that's 49%. That's insane. That's insane. But it does look like it's ready to go up tomorrow. Hopefully in the after hours it didn't get screwed. Hopefully not. But yeah, you broke up, you came back down. Looks pretty solid. Any chance you can check Mass? Yeah, we can check out Mass. MicroStrategy. MSTR. I recommend Clean Spark, not financial advice. That's funny. I haven't played Warzone ever since you found crypto. I used to play every day. It's funny how crypto will take over your life, right? Alright, so Mastar, I believe, just set a record. New all-time high. Yeah, new all-time high. Well, look at that. It beat out the dot-com bubble. Absolutely amazing. So, of course, you're going to expect some point in time, you're going to backtest it. Some point in time. And it better hold. If it doesn't hold, MicroStrategy's 178? That would be terrible. That's probably next bear market. That'll probably be the accumulation range. Anywhere between 314 and 179. You didn't backtest that either. That's funny. I would expect a backtest of previous all-time high before it starts going even more nuts. Have I used that for liquidity pools? Would you recommend them or something else? I have not used them for liquidity pools at all. I do like using liquidity pools later on in the bull market. That's usually when I have like an absorbent amount of random crypto and I'm just like, I don't know what to do with this. So I throw them in liquidity pools so I can just get more money from them. But no, I've never used them. Never used them. So this one, it's hard to fathom how high this could go. But we can just use our fib tool and get a rough idea. So from the low to high to the low. You even got a double bottom here? That's crazy. Your next target's $500. After that, $652. Wild. Sui also looks like it wants to break out again. Oh, Sui, I have it marked out for 430. $4.30. We're gonna see if it gets up there. Isn't it crazy? No one really cares about MicroStrategy actual company use. Oh, that's true. That is true. Thoughts on Loopring LRC? My thoughts on it? They need to market. They need to actually show they can do something. Being a layer two for Ethereum. That's that's what they really need to do. Let's check out their chart. I think I looked at their chart the other day and I was surprised. Yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. So right now you're in accumulation range, still in this accumulation range. So right now I would be gathering up as much as possible on the loop ring. Ethereum's dead. It's not dead. It's just not good. I was looking at some liquidity pools and it is pretty tempting. 40k can earn around 1700 a week, but I need to learn more about the risk. Liquidity pools are nice because the risk it's generally a lot lower just because you're providing liquidity. It's when they can't get people to supply liquidity that it becomes a problem. You guys ever get a whisker in your mouth? Ooh. Alright, on your 4 hour, Loop Ring does look like it's trying to get some support. The problem I'm seeing here, you broke 1473 and you didn't touch it. So if we continue to bleed out with these alts, we're probably going to go down and touch it, but that could be the best entry you can get before Loop Ring tries running up to anywhere between 3653 and 4840. And I know some of you are like, why do you only say those two levels? It's like, well, mainly because, which it's way more likely to only be 36. This is where you came down. You held it twice. You fell down. It was resistance, resistance. You're probably just going to come up, resistance, back test, then fly through. It's kind of how it goes. It's surprising that each time it popped straight up through it, but could be a little different. I should have cashed out of LRC when you had the chance. Don't worry, you'll have another chance. It's fine. You're liking C? We'll check out C. You can check out C. I think you want me to look at Sui also, right? So yeah, it would just make sense to go up. Maybe you go up and test your 200 weekly moving average, then pull back. Possible. But I would expect it to stop here, come down, then pop out. Loop Ring really doesn't look that bad. The only problem you have is you didn't form a formal bottom. You try Black Ops 6? No, I'm just playing Warzone, and also I don't like the new grind for leveling up guns. That's annoying. It makes you really want to buy the game just so you can level up guns faster, but it's just like, good God, why does it have to be so mind-numbing and timely? Ugh, it's terrible. Where is SEI? There you are. Alright, so C, it is trying to do something. Problem I see, though. Ugh. So, what was once support is being used as resistance. You could be coming back down to these levels, back down to 3956. I don't like it when you're utilizing this as so much resistance and you can't break through. Crypto over gaming, right? I told myself I'll get back into gaming once GTA 6 comes out. So you're never getting back into gaming. Oh, it's funny. But yeah, so you can see right here, utilizing it as full support, now you're using it as the heaviest amount of resistance possible. And you've only tested this level once. Come down, get your bottom, and then take off. Yeah, that's my life currently. Crypto over gaming. Yeah, it's absolutely insane. Daily showing the bearish divergence, looking like you want to get a pullback, which sucks too because you just got a golden cross. Can I take a look at ILV? Sure, got you covered. Got you covered. That bearish divergence is playing a role here. Now I'm starting to think like something's going to come and this thing's going to come straight down to here. Hopefully, if it does come down, you stop at this 39.56 level and you just stop there. Then you start going back up. That would be great. It's just, yeah, you only hit this level once. It's not technically a bottoming pattern when you hit it only once. No one looks at the 3 hour. Jesus. All right, 4 hour. We lost our 50 simple moving average and our support. Dang, and we have bearish divergence. Oh boy, that's too bad. Too bad. So yeah, I'd be looking to short this one. I don't like feeling so bearish in an otherwise bull market. Like I don't like that. Oh hey, Bitcoin, we're up 24% now. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's do it. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I see out of C token. It's the bearish divergence that's the biggest problem. So 17% downside's possible. If you hold it, great. You could possibly go up to 59.47. Yeah, this bearish divergence is annoying. Very annoying. Because you're seeing it on the daily. So that's the big difference. You're seeing the bearish divergence on the daily, and that's what's giving it so much more weight. ILV is broken out. ILV has broken out. It's broken out. And it's doing the same crap the rest of the altcoins are doing. You have bearish divergence on the daily. That's frustrating. So frustrating. So, nice thing. You broke this. Really cool thing. You hit the bottom once, you hit it twice, hit it 3 times. You popped up, you're back in this zone. As long as you stay above 39.10, you're going to see 53.86. You just got to stay above that 39.10. And once you break that level at 53.86, you get to have some fun again. You get to have some fun again. But yeah, it's not a good look when you create your bottoming pattern. You enjoy some upside. Ooh, bearish divergence on the weekly. No wonder. Yikes. So yeah, likely to go up here, touch, hit it again, and then start going. Maybe you get a little bit higher move, but yikes. That's not great. That's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. You know, it is what it is. And also, is there any confluence on the price 16 cents for Gala? I will check. But yeah, I would expect ILV to get a nice little push up. Maybe you even come up and test the 50 simple on the weekly at $74.60. But past that, whatever you do on the upside, you're more than likely to come back down, test this level again before really breaking out. Thank you. I liked the stream too. I appreciate you for liking the stream. That's absolutely amazing. I never asked for likes, so guys, hey, hit up those likes. Appreciate you. Oh, also everybody, big announcement when it comes to buy DeFi. Right now, using my link, you guys also should click on the link for the Google Forms. You will get deposited into your account $100 just straight into your wallet, on top of getting 10% cash back, up to $1,000, and you'll have VIP member will get access to all the latest charts, trades, and you get exclusive content apparently for being VIP. So that's great. Anyways, that's a shameless ad over. Buy DeFi. Honestly, use the link. It's fantastic. They're trying to really boost their numbers out here. They're really trying. So let them give you your incentives. All right, 4 hour on ILV looks like it does want to try and go up, but remember you are showing bearish divergence, so an offload could be happening. Who knows? Who knows? Just hopefully no nukes are thrown. As long as we hear that Putin doesn't want to launch any nukes, markets will start going back up again. But I love seeing how Wall Street and other countries, they don't want to sell off their Bitcoin. They'll sell off their altcoins, but they're not selling the Bitcoin. You have to be shameless if you want at least 100 plus viewers in here. The more people here, the more easier streams will be because you will have more to talk about. That's true. Looks like the market is moving up. Yeah, Asia likes to buy a lot. Asia, their markets are doing really bad. But if you've noticed what's happened the past few days, it'll start to go up and then it sells off in the middle of the night. So be careful on your trades overnight. Bitcoin's the only stable thing out here that it's like once the move starts, it continues going in that direction. So be careful. Going out to Gala. What about Crow? Within what? Crow with knife. We'll check it out. When I say shameless, like every 15 minutes asking for likes and subs. That's funny. When do I anticipate BTC dominance dumping? McLovin? No fucking clue. I have no idea. We had a little bit of Bitcoin dominance relief, and now we don't. So it's looking like your Confluence here, Critical Thinker, is going to be sitting literally on support down here at 27006. You could very well come down here, touch it, and break out of your downtrend at the same time. So that's what it looks like. If you're looking for uptrend, same exact area. Same exact area. I'd say do giveaways, but your TA gives away gains. Yeah, every single day I'm giving giveaways. You all are having the chance to just stare at every request and see where you can make money. The giveaways are built in. They're built in, man. Peen up. Are you on a short trade or you hodl? I'm on a long right now. I'm long on Bitcoin, 50x long. We're up 22%. That's what we're on right now. 50x long on the corn. Giveaways are cool, but likes and subs is what pushes his channel on the algo. That's true. So touch those like buttons, guys. Just give it a little lick your finger if you need to. Just touch it. Do your thing. Make it weird. Alright, anyways. You're getting a breakout on the 1 hour for Gala. So, yeah, I'm expecting Gala sometime either tonight, tomorrow, maybe even by Thursday, getting this 19% rise. That's what I'm thinking here. And noted, that's provided we don't get screwed like I got screwed earlier today in my trade. I got absolutely boned. It was terrible. It was terrible. Absolutely terrible. All right, let's check out CAW. Crow with knife. Just shameless crow out here trying to steal from everybody. Why, oh why, do I already have this up? Holy shit. Oh, because it's a brand new freaking token. Got it. Well, you hit your 618 and you pulled back. Great area to pull back. I'll tell you that much. Great area. Looks like you're finding support before you even hit the 236. So, If you continue up, which your daily is trying to allow you to go up, which is absolutely amazing, you should see this anywhere between the 786 and the 1. So you could see price coming up to anywhere between 9305 or 11162. It's a lot of ones. Considering it's more of a new token, I don't really have that much to say about it. It's just you're playing the fib levels right now. That's really all you're doing. Just playing those fibs. So wow, that's 59%. That's actually crazy. Who would have thought? That's 92%. That's even more crazy. Wow. Wow. What's your favorite exchange to trade on? McLovin, right now it's between our partners over at Buy DeFi or Weeks. There's a description that is popping up in the chat. You definitely can join with me and get some perks. Join Buy DeFi or Weeks. It's a great place to be. No KYC, no VPN. USA friendly. Alright. If we're doing memes, can you check the bulb? No. No, Crypto Naughty. I saw that thing before you posted about it. I hated its website. I hated it. It was terrible. McLovin. Yeah, no VPN needed. That's what we partnered up with. It's the thing that keeps popping up in chat. Weeks is the only place that lets you do 100x leverage in California. No. Peen up. No. Buy DeFi will let you do it too. So will BitUnex. So will Margex. I haven't found a fifth exchange yet. But I have affiliate links. If you join the Discord, you can find them all under exchange links. You hate Bulb? I hate their website. I don't know anything about the project 'cause it's so new, but you know, I hate their website. You've been looking everywhere, but it's always restricted. Really? That's crazy. No, I don't have any issues on it, all of them, and I don't have my VPN active ever. It's crazy. But yeah, buy DeFi. You definitely can do it there. By the way, did Blub? Oh yeah, okay, Blub, whatever. So I assume you have no issues with cash outs. I always send my cash outs to Coinbase, and then I cash out on Coinbase. So no, I don't have any issues there. I haven't tried using the exchange for it. I'm just in the habit of sending it to Coinbase whenever I cash out. So I haven't tried. Being completely honest, I haven't tried. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. No problem. Let me send you the link here for Weeks. Copy. And here you go, McLovin. There you go. Right. That is the wrong one. Holy shit. That's not right. Hold on. Let me get the right one. And there you go. There you go, right there. All right. Now that that is done with. But no, Crypto Naughty, when I looked up Blub, as soon as I saw their website, I hated it. Why are you sending me Meat Spin Bro? Wait, what the hell is that? What? Meat Spin? That's funny. I know I'm missing some requests. Hold on, let me look at the chart. Gen Z Quant Kid dumped it 30K, now 30 million market cap. That's wild. That's wild. Meat Spin is back? What are we talking about here? What are we talking about? I missed so much here. Holy shit. Hold on. So it's called Gen Z Quant. Gen Z Quant. Can't find it. No idea what you're talking about. All right. We tried. Lemon Party? What is this Lemon Party? What? Sort of meme from 2004 meets really? What? What is Lemon Party? I don't know what that is either. You guys know the drill. If you're trying to send me to Deck Screener, it's $5 minimum. There's no way I'm doing it. Alright, I don't know what the next request was. Totally lost it. I don't think there was another one. Cool. We get to just look at some random things. Love it. Alright. We're going to go back to Bitcoin. Oh, burger. No, wait. It was beer. That's what I was staring at before. Beer. What are you doing, beer? Is beer going down? Is it ready to short? This is what had me captivated earlier. Is it gonna go up or down? What do you guys think? It went up since we looked at it last. Probably help if I could draw a line. Alright. ALB, Alien Base, sure. Sure. Yeah, you realize though, beer, if it manages to break this level, like convincingly, getting some volume, it has 494% upside, and it could go even further. 12x? Beer is sitting on the cusp of being everyone's favorite token. You understand that? It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Alien Base. I don't know what this is. It's an Ethereum meme coin. What is beer? No idea what it is. It's probably a meme coin. I'll check it out. NFA? NFA. I don't know what NFA is. Let's event titty coin. Oh, invent titty coin. We will be rich. I don't know. Last bull run, I got into Punani token. It was pretty nice. What am I supposed to do with this token here? What am I supposed to do with this thing? 'Cause I'll tell you, your support is really low from where the price is at. Really low. Yeah, they had a Punani token. It was on the Binance Smart Chain. Because, you know, last bull run, Binance Smart Chain was where it was at. As great as the Solana meme coins are, the Solana memes, or the BNB memes, that was really where it was at. Cum Rocket from last, yes, I remember Cum Rocket. That was also on the Binance Smart Chain. True Smart Chain was where it was at. I don't know what True Smart Chain was. I don't know what that is. Well, whatever this alien base thing is, it's about to make a decision, up or down. And since you've been utilizing resistance this whole time, and you're in a downtrend on your strength, I'm guessing down. Guessing down. Oh, yo, you're agreeing with me? Yeah. Binance Smart Chain was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. Loved it. I got really pissed at one developer though. I got really pissed at him because he created a Rattata token and he basically said, "Oh, what I want to do is I want to create Pokemon trading card game, but on the blockchain." I was like, "I will invest all of my money into this. Are you kidding?" Yeah, the cards will be NFTs. I was like, "No shot. I am in." Damn weenie boy got all pissed off because he got sick, and then people cared more about money than his health. And I was like, "Welcome to investing. What, what do you expect? You came up with a great idea. You were going to do the work on. We are investors. We are not your family." I was so mad. I was so mad. Thinking of taking Doge profits and rotate into Elon and Baby Doge for alt season. One looks better. Oh, which one looks better? We'll check them out. But yeah, this alien base thing, you're consolidating right now. If you look at it this way, it's an ascending triangle. You could see all-time highs and beyond. But I always think it's going to fall. All it needs is a couple people to start arguing. Next thing you know, oh no, we're back down here. Be careful. Alright, let's check out Baby Doge. The Baby Doge. Both of these are cool. I hate the relative strength chart. I really do hate that. Why does Baby Doge look like this? Like, what? Why does Baby Doge only do this? These are consecutive lower highs, aren't they? That's wild. ALI is a sleeping giant AI play. It came out in the bear market. Did it really? Let's see if I can find more info on. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. But yeah, no, looking at this, it's like, why do you only have lower highs every single time? You got your measured move out of Baby Doge. You got the 242% from the lows down here. Wow, it did it. And now you're kind of rolling over on the weekly. So I would guess you're going to find some support, possibly down here at this 178 level. 1755, something around there. This red box. So as long as you hold that red box of support, because you're definitely not holding support right now, you could see another move to the upside, but that does worry me. You've only had lower highs. See, you can see high, lower high, lower high, lowest high. It's just constant distribution. It's kind of weird. So hopefully you do hold support here and you can break the trend and get a higher high. That would be fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Checking out the daily. Looks weird. Looks really weird. But you're just downtrending. You went from a downtrend to a lower high downtrend. Still need to break that. Anyways, yeah, see, more than likely we'll see you back down here at this 1755 level. Somewhere around in here. If you hold support there, fantastic. Go for it. Jump in there. If not, sorry to say, bad time. Bad time. Baby Doge looks like Head and Shoulders, you think? I would agree, except for the shoulders too high. Unless you want to say it's like slanted, but the right shoulder's too high. Could break the downtrend and reach $1. Oh god. It's going to $1, bro. It's gonna get a 10 million X. That's so many zeros. Oh my god. I guess the argument could be there if we actually had indicators that worked. That would be wonderful. But we don't. Oh, if Doge reaches $1. Oh, I thought you said baby Doge. Oh no. Well, Doge has a real chance of getting to that dollar now. I mean, it had a chance last time. It got to what, 73 cents? Something like that. Pretty darn close. Pretty darn close. If everybody would just stop selling, it would have got there. Elon. Gotta check out Elon. So Doge Elon. Let's check it out. I think Doge Elon would be a better bet. If I'm being completely honest here, I think Doge Elon would be the better bet. It looks like your consolidation is going to be ending sooner, and it doesn't have just like the only always down history like Baby Doge. At least not the same. At least you're in an accumulation range. So, but you're way closer to the bottom on Doge Elon than you are on Baby Doge. So I think Elon would be better. Whoa. Did not want to do that. That whoa. All right. Give Ray a look? Yeah, sure. Same bros thought Shiba was hitting a penny, and that's true. I remember that. That's true. So if this bad boy comes down to 1547, that will be the entry. Backtesting former resistance as support would be phenomenal. And then you could see this thing run up at like 148%. And that would be a weekly breakout. That would be a really big deal. Really big deal on this one. So I feel like Elon would be better than Baby Doge, but we'll wait and see what happens. They're both technically in consolidation patterns. Checking out Ray or Raynium. It's in that wonderful nothingness area, which we all love to be in. So looking at it on the weekly, you are looking to get up to $9.66. You need to hold support, though. You need to do that. You don't hold support, it's going to be a real problem. So yeah, you can see right here, you got your breakout. Fantastic. The weekly, you haven't backtested it, and you're overbought. You don't want to be overbought on the weekly, I'll tell you that much. You don't want to be overbought on the weekly. It's a bad look. Overbought on the daily, also showing that bearish divergence. You're expecting a pullback right now. You're expecting a strong pullback. That pullback's looking like 31%. Because that is where your support is, at $3.65. You hold that support though, $9.66.7. So yeah, I think this is the lull before Thanksgiving that we're having. Nice, you wait to scoop more? No problem. No problem. Yeah, so what I'm expecting now is like maybe we see the alts just kind of trade sideways down for the next week, and then suddenly Thanksgiving, Black Friday, we're going up, baby, we're going crazy. So I think that's what's coming right now. Because noted, the alts did very well for a good portion of time. The alt seasons never last that long. So now it's just, oh, where do we hop back in? Or what could possibly move now, you know? You know? Oh, anyways, guys, I'm starting to get tired. I'm starting to get like sleepy. So, I plan on making a video tomorrow. I still haven't figured out the topic I'm going to be covering, but I do plan on making. Do you guys prefer the last two videos that I made compared to just showing trade setups? Or should I actually give like a trade setup a go with an actual thumbnail? This is a genuine question. I need to know from you guys. Look at Clover. As I said, probably getting up there. That's crazy. Going for that lower high, another 24%. That's ridiculous. Actually ridiculous. Wow. Alright, we got no input there. I will just do my best to figure out what you guys might like. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get some rest. I'm going to go to sleep. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful evening and you're finding some great trades. I am still expecting Bitcoin to get up to $94,715. We'll see if it actually pans out. Anyways, good luck in your trades, everybody. Hopefully you're accumulating in the proper accumulation ranges. And let's go out there and make some paper. Catch you tomorrow. Catch you tomorrow, Crypto Naughty. Also, it's that's how you spell my name, everybody. That's how you spell my name. Anyways, I will catch you guys next time. Take it easy. I'm out.